Hey guys, today we have a game on Toki in the Golden Arrow Anomaly. In this game, I may or may not have gotten a Golden Merc Brine on turn 6. I think this game was really fun and hope you guys enjoy. Toki's good. Toki's very good in this anomaly. Three on 3, always. And we can Golden a 4. Wait, there's a Voon. There's a Voon, bro. Because any good player with a Voon in this anomaly is just an insta-win. Ain't no way. Oh my god. Wait, what? Maybe I win. Oh my god. Dude, I can't even buy it this turn. That's fine.
I quite like that one.
Perfect.
That was an excellent display.
I only have one keyword, so it's plus 214. It might matter. Okay, let's just try and get keywords next turn. Keyword. Not this, not this. One of these two. Rendell's good too with Toki. Yeah, I like Book better. Gonna do this. See what I get. Oh my god, wait, whoa. Wait, why did I buy that?
Oh, you want coin for it? Very well.
Oh my god, what just happened? That escalated quickly.
A well-earned victory.
Okay, that's perfect. Another keyword is nice. Just gonna not summon this for now. It only counts as one. It's every unique keyword. Need some attack though.
Have you considered how?
Divine Shield, Windfury Venomous. I could replace this with Rasher. Rasher is pretty good. It can fit in my final comp. Yeah, sure.
When does the real fight start?
Scope. This is very good. I'm just thinking if any of the other ones have any merit. No, it's gotta be this one.
Have you considered?
Botanist. Should I have gold in this? Maybe.
Start with the basics.
Dude, his setup's better.
An exciting addition to your class. My advice?
Do I try and golden it? I'm looking for more of these. Or Titus. Just buy that.
Too generous with these refunds. An excellent selection.
Dude, everyone has Bran. Except me.
Done it.
Oh, golden coral. Perfect.
This price fair. Sweet dreams. Escape the darkness with me. I quite.
I need to keep this the keyword. I guess I'm done with this then. Wow, right on time, Bran. Doesn't seem that strong. Hopefully I face dragons. I feel like he's outscaled me. Maybe another coral. And golden this.
I would have done the same.
Titus. Too late.
Death is not the end.
I'm just gonna all in, I think.
Oh, you want coin for it? Very well. I am much too generous for these refunds. Don't move a muscle.
Rage. How big is he? Oh, I win. Nice. Easy clap.